hosts America reclaimed the Ryder Cup on Sunday, defeating defending champions Europe with a record-breaking 19-9 point margin amid cheers from 40,000 local fans at the Whistling Straits Golf Course in Wisconsin. There was huge show of emotions from both the US and the European teams, only proving the passion and rivalry they share in this ultimate team golf championship. Hello everyone, welcome to News 9. I am Rohit Bharadwaj, and in this special coverage of the Ryder Cup, we will be discussing the major highlights of the prestigious team championship, interesting trivia and records that were broken on the challenging Whistling Straits Golf Course on the shores of Lake Michigan. USA established a 6-2 lead in the 3-day biennial tournament on Friday and added another 5 victories on Saturday to reach 11-5. The onus was on Europe to put up a magical fight back and win 9 out of the 12 singles matches to keep the Ryder Cup trophy in their closet. Captain Steve Stricker led USA to a marvelous victory with his strategy of taking 6 rookies in the squad only working in the host's favor. USA did not give visitors Europe any chance and justified the tag of being the favorites. They also gave a glimpse to dominate this biennial event for years to come. Stricker was seen hugging world number 2 Dustin Johnson, the hero of the American triumph, winning all his 5 matches, a Ryder Cup record. British Open champ Collin Morikawa ended European hopes when he clinched the all-important half point against Viktor Hovland to seal the rubber in favor of USA. The American fans went into a frenzy, cheering, whistling and applauding the efforts of the US team. Whistling Straits provided a perfect backdrop for a stunning competition across 3 days. This seems that the era of European domination at the Ryder Cup is nearing its end. But you never know, as the tournament has an interesting past of throwing surprises, especially when the Europeans will be on their home turf in the next edition in 2023 in Rome. In fact, Europe started off well with 4-time major champion Rory McIlroy winning the first singles on Sunday, beating the in-form Olympic champion Xander Schauffele 3-2. However, FedEx Cup champion Patrick Cantlay triumphed in the battle of rookies, beating Shane Lowry 4-2 to snatch the momentum from the visiting team. But the major upset came when American rookie Scottie Scheffler defeated world number 1 Jon Rahm 4-3. Next, 2020 US Open champion Bryson DeChambeau defeated veteran Sergio Garcia to make it 14-6 in favor of the hosts. It was just a formality for the US team to claim half points in the next game to lay their hands on the golden chalice commissioned by Samuel Ryder in 1927. Collin Morikawa delivered the winning half point when he tied the match with European rookie Viktor Hovland. Dustin Johnson maintained a hot putter, winning all his 5 matches in this edition to become the first American since Larry Nelson in 1979 to win in every session and the 5th golfer to be able to win all 5 ties apart from Arnold Palmer and Gardner Dickinson in 1967, and Italy's Francesco Molinari for Europe in 2018. Seasoned pros Ian Poulter and Lee Westwood, for whom this can be their last Ryder Cup, tried lending respectability to Europe's tally with 2 wins from their respective games. But that was not to be. Brooks Koepka, Justin Thomas and Jordan Spieth won their matches in quick succession, with Daniel Berger winning the last and final point for USA amid joyous scenes around the 18th green and loud cheers from the crowd to complete the formalities and capture the coveted title. USA's 19-9 point winning margin is the largest in Ryder Cup history, with closest margin of 18.5 to 9.5 coming up on 3 occasions, with 2 in favor of Europe, with the latest being in 2006, when Europe, led by Ian Woosnam, defeated USA at K Club in Dublin, Ireland. Europe scripted victory with the same margin under Bernhard Langer in 2004 at Oakland Hills. In 1981, it was the American side which had won by this margin at Walton Heath Golf Club in England. With this victory, USA now have 27 titles in their bag. Europe with 11 and the team of Great Britain and Ireland claiming 3 titles. Europe, to their credit, have 14 titles, whereas Great Britain and Ireland, joint teams, have garnered the glory on 3 occasions. Europe emerged on the Ryder Cup scene in 1979. They have dominated ever since with 11 titles. The triumph at Whistling Straits on Sunday night gave USA their 9th title against Europe. While USA are playing since inception in 1927, Great Britain participated from 1927 to 1971, with Ireland getting included in 1973. The British team then expanded to continental Europe in 1979. Raucous scenes, overwhelming emotions, great camaraderie and team bonding defined the Ryder Cup, and that was on ample display in the last 3 days at the tricky Whistling Straits course. Hope Europe restore parity in the next edition in 2023 at Marco Simone Golf and Country Club near Rome. That's all from our special coverage for the Ryder Cup. For more news and updates from across the globe, keep watching News 9.